Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to design your own insert card. So we're going to go through Design Space and design this one together. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you learned something. Also, go check out May's video. Her video is in the description of this video and also at the end. Okay, first we're on the Design Space canvas and we're going to click on images and then we're going to click on image sets. So if you're on a mobile device, you're going to click on highlighted categories and then you'll see the option for image sets. And what we're going to look for is corners. I do have the Joy machine in the machine categories. And we're going to click on this one. We can choose any of these corners that we like. This one's kind of pretty with the little dots there. But you can choose any of them you want. Let's choose this one down here. Now you cannot resize this. We do not want to resize this at all. So we want to keep this as it is. We're not going to change this, but we're going to put things inside here. So these are the corners that are going to cut out on our card. So we need more images. So let's go back to images. And I no longer want the corners. So I'm going to exit off that. I want one that's called quilted. So I'm just going to search quilt. This cartridge right here, this image set, has a lot of really cool images that have the little cutouts like these do. So it would be fun to use one of these as well. But today I want to show you how to simply do it. So we're just going to use one of these ornaments. So I'm going to click on that and then I'm going to choose the one I want. I think I want a Christmas tree. This one I can see it has layers and we don't need that one with layers, although we could choose that one. But they have them separated. Like see this? This one's not as busy because I'm not going to use the outside of it. We're only going to use the inside. So we want one that is filled with the holes like these. That one would be good, but this one would be even better, I think. I'm going to click on this just in case I don't see anything better I want to use. Now you can use any of these that you want to use. And I'm just going to look through all of them. Okay, actually this one is all we really need. Is it the same as this one? I want to look at this one too. So we're going to bring in a couple of them so we can look at them. Lots of these would be so pretty to use. See this one, I don't know what the difference is. Okay, this has more cutouts in the middle. All right, let's go ahead and insert these 4, and we're just going to look at these together in a row. Okay, let's bring these over here. So this one looks like it's the same as that and almost the same as all of these. So if I wanted to use this one, I would go down here and click on contour and just cut out the top contour and that circle also. And it's pretty much the same as that one. And the same with this one, we would have to ungroup and you would do the same thing, contour out this one. This one, we would have to contour out the outside piece. And it's pretty much the same. So we don't need these or this one. This one will do. And I want to center this with the corners. So I selected them all. They're all selected, and we're going to click Align Center. But now I want to put Merry Christmas on here. So I think I'm going to put Merry Christmas. Or we could scoot this up a little. I'm using my keyboard keys. And do Merry Christmas down here at the bottom. Let's just add text first. And I'm going to do some writing. So I'm going to put Merry and then Christmas. And of course we need it smaller. And I want to go to alignment and center. And we need to find a font. I'm going to go over here to filter to writing fonts. And choose a font we want. Let's check out this one. I think I want the lines a little closer together. So I can just click this bottom arrow here. Move them up together. And I can make this a little bigger. What I want to do is align these and I'll center horizontally. There we go. So what it's going to do is it's going to cut the corners. It's going to cut this out of the card, and then it's going to draw this on the card. But first we have to attach it. So we have to select everything. But first, look, I have this little caution sign here. This pen is incompatible. So we just need to change the color of the pen. That's all we have to do. And now that is gone. So now we're going to select it all and click attach. And now we would make it with our card mat. First, let's save this project. This is a Christmas insert card. Let's call it Christmas tree. And save it. And now we can go ahead and make it. So we're going to choose the on a card mat. And it's kind of hard to see when everything's black. If you want to see this better, you can go back. So we can cancel. We can change the color of this. Just click over here in the layers panel on one of the colors. You can change it to white if you want. Click make it on a card mat. Done. And now you can see it better. And hit continue. And I'm just going to select medium cardstock. And it says load the black pen. I'm going to use a red pen because that's the color I want to use. So we're going to go over here, open up, and take the blade out. Put the pen in. We're going to load the card. I'm just going to use white card. Stick it in here. Push it all the way to the crease and all the way to the top. And load the mat. Now I'm going to hit go on the machine, or on the design space. Okay, now design space says to change to the blade. So we're just going to plop the blade in and we're going to hit go. Okay, we're going to skip ahead. And it's all set to unload. So now we just take it off. Push just a few of these out. And then we can put in our paper. Whoops. There we go. Isn't that pretty? And it was so simple. Make sure you go check out May's channel. The link for her video is in the description and at the end of this video. There's a whole playlist you can watch of all our Joy Projects Christmas in July series. The playlist will be at the end of this video also. I hope you learned something today. If you have, please subscribe and like this video. And go subscribe to May if you haven't already.